there's a question from Magnus Karl relating to what you discussed earlier, nuclear weapons. What are your thoughts on mutually assured destruction? Will we be safer in a world without nuclear weapons?
I think it depends on how we decide to conduct ourselves. You know, it isn't obvious to me that we're in a position where we can trust ourselves without nuclear weapons. You know, nuclear weapons are they're like a judgmental God in some sense. If you misbehave too badly, there's going to be hell to pay. And so the consequence of that, since the end of the Second World War, thank God, is that no one has misbehaved too badly yet. And so I don't know if that's... We've had comparative peace since the end of the Second World War. Now, that doesn't mean there hasn't been chronic, low-level conflict. And some of it, I'm not saying that the conflicts have been trivial, but compared to World War II, they are trivial, and certainly compared to World War III, they're trivial. And so I would say that the hydrogen bomb has put the fear of God into us, and that there's some utility in that. Obviously, it would be better if we didn't need that, because they're dangerous, and the probability that there'll be an accident at some point seems to me to be 100%, because there's always an accident, right? And so we're playing with fire, but it isn't self-evident to me that so far it's been a bad thing. Even the Soviets, even Stalin, although he was probably... There's some evidence that Stalin was gearing up for the Third World War, and that he would have been willing to put Europe to the thermonuclear torch. And he was just the kind of guy to do it. He'd been practicing doing that for a long time. After you kill your 10 millionth person, the next 10 million come pretty easy. And so there is evidence that he was gearing up for that in Western Europe, and that he was probably killed. And so, but apart from Stalin, no one has come along who's been corrupt and malevolent enough to make that a priority. And so that's so far a testament to the fundamental goodness of the human heart. But
what do you think Hitler would have done with nuclear weapons?
I think he probably would have cleared out most of Eastern Europe. I mean, part of his plan, I mean, you perhaps know this, but Hitler believed the Germans deserved an empire, like many other European countries had an empire, and he felt that it was no different for the Germans to pursue their empire than it was for the British, and that his empire was going to be in Eastern Europe, because what the hell good are they anyways? That was his attitude. And I think he would have used whatever means necessary to clear out as much territory as possible so that it could have been inhabited by his Volk. That's what it looks like. Now, you know, you might ask, well, could have that been done by nuclear means? And the answer to that's probably. So I think he would have put them to use. I mean, my sense of Hitler, you say, well, what motivated Hitler? You say, well, he wanted to rule the world. It's like, I don't think that's what he wanted. I think he got exactly what he wanted. He wanted to put a bullet through his head when Berlin was in ruins and Europe was in flames. And that's exactly what he did. And you think, well, no one could aim for that. It's like, think again. Someone aimed for it. And they got it too. So I don't think he would have stopped. So